So in today's super short little video, I am going to be swapping out the washer jet on the Spider for something that actually works. This is the stock solution from Renaultsport. It is a little block attached to the wiper arm, and I don't think you can see it very well, but from the right of that block is a little hole that sprays water quite pathetically onto the windscreen wiper. It's useless, and with the inspection test coming up in a few days for the Spider, I really don't want any reason for them to not pass this car, so I can use it while there's still some sun left. Give you a quick demonstration of the stock solution. Rubbish. What I'm going to use is one of these with the adjustable nozzles. I've already adjusted them down and checked where that's going to fire, and it's going to fire on the windscreen, which is good. I've got loads of these for some reason, got about 8 of them. I'm going to take that and I'm going to fit it into the middle here of this. Pop that off and then just shorten this wire and run it through, and that should be that. Just quickly show you how to adjust the nozzles on the washer jets. This is the tool that I use here, bought from the Swedish version of Halford's Biltema. It has, unscrew it, it has 2 different ends. It has a bigger end, like that. Oh, it's escaping. And it has a smaller end. So all you do is you take your little jet. You can use pins and things as well for this, of course, but you just put it into the eye of the nozzle itself, and then you can just adjust that nozzle in any direction that you want. And obviously this shows you as well where the jet is going to go, because you just follow the line of the tool. So once you've got the nozzles adjusted as you want them to be, then you can just leave them in that position. They won't move, and you know that you're good to go. So there we are, done. Just let's give it a try now and see how it works. Spot on. Now obviously with the washer jet, I did spend a little while adjusting the nozzles to try and get them just so they wouldn't foul on the wiper arm, and obviously so they weren't too high up that they'd go over the windscreen, over the car completely. So it took a little while to do that, and that was just a case of taping the washer jet into position, giving it a go, taking it off, adjusting it with the tool, and then retaping it, and on and off and on and off until I got it as good as I could get it. Really, I might tweak it a bit in the future, but I think it's as good as it can be for now. So there you go. I promised it was going to be a shortish video. I've done everything I can do now for the inspection test on Wednesday. I had to swap out the clear bulbs in the clear side repeaters for orange bulbs, but other than that, it's as much as I can do. So fingers crossed, or hold my thumbs, as we say here in Sweden, for the test on Wednesday, and yeah, see how I get on.